Hey everyone, welcome to Pumpkin Spice Mix. My name is Miss Lorena and I'm going to go over some ingredients that you might have at home to make a quick, simple snack for the month of November. So here I have, you'll need a microwave safe bowl. I do have some Chex cereal. I'm using cinnamon. They have regular, vanilla, whichever kind you'd prefer. I also have about 4 ounces of almonds and walnuts here. I have 2 ounces of peanut M&Ms, which you could add more candy, less candy. If you don't like peanut M&Ms, that's fine. You can use Reese's Pieces. I've seen people use candy corn if that's what you like. I also have pumpkin pie spice, and then you'll also need some vanilla extract. So I have everything measured out here. So I have a cup of my Chex cereal, which I am going to pour in my larger bowl. And then I'm going to add my almonds and walnuts. And then you just want to kind of mix it up. Alright. And then I also have some butter here. You'll need 1/4 cup of melted butter. So you want to microwave that for about 30 seconds or so until it's ready. And with that, I am going to put in my teaspoon of vanilla and add it to the butter. And then you want to add this to your mix. And then mix it. Make sure to stir it. You might need to add more cereal. You can double the recipe. Mix this in, and then you want to add a teaspoon. I'm going to open this up to make it easier. Of the pumpkin pie spice mix. I'm just going to add it. You can add more or less if you'd like. And then you want to mix it up in the bowl as well. I'm going to wait to add my candy because I don't want that to melt in the microwave. So you're going to actually throw this in the microwave for about 5 minutes. And you want to stir and mix every minute. And then you want to let it cool until it's done, and you're ready to start snacking. So I hope you learned something new today and that you enjoy this mix. And let us know in comments on our Facebook page or Instagram if you'd like. That's Taylor's Heights Public Library. And we'll see you again soon.